Lesson 4. The World of Birds. Children, let's continue our reading from page 33. Flying differently. Some birds like eagle, vulture and kite fly at great heights. Some birds like sparrow and bulbul fly low. Fact 5. Cranes are the tallest flying birds. An ostrich is taller than a crane, but it is a flightless bird. Some birds like crow and pigeon fly over long distances. Some birds like hen fly only short distances. They usually walk on legs. Flightless birds. Some birds like kiwi, ostrich, penguin do not fly at all because their bodies are too heavy. These birds are called flightless birds. They move on with the help of their legs. Aquatic birds. A number of birds live in water. These birds have oil glands which do not allow their feathers to get wet or spoiled by water. These birds have webbed toes which help them to swim in water. Ducks, swan, cranes, gulls and pelicans are common water birds.